time passes and the electric car continues to have a problem with its batteries. Although the advances are evident, the autonomy is still scarce for many drivers. The charging times are long and, worst of all, they represent a high cost for the manufacturers and therefore for the consumer. To all of the above must be added a limited useful life. In fact, manufacturers usually give guarantees of between 8 and 10 years before they begin to lose storage capacity, or, at least, so that the loss until then is not significant. Changing the battery of a Tesla car can be much more expensive than you imagine, although it always depends on several factors, such as the model of the vehicle. Replacing the battery of one of these vehicles can cost you more than 20,000 euros, which can be equivalent to the cost of any other vehicle that runs on conventional fuel. In addition to the search for greater storage capacity, power, and duration, economic problems have been added due to the increase in the cost of raw materials such as lithium, nickel, or cobalt. This has caused the big companies in the electric scene to not hesitate to seek alliances with specialized research centers in this field. As is the case with Tesla, one of Elon Musk's company collaborations in academia is research chair in long-lasting, high-energy density, low-cost batteries at the Natural Sciences and Engineering Research Council of Canada is already bearing fruit. A battery composition that not only can extend the autonomy of electric cars, but also lasts much longer, could last a century, say its creators. Do you think a battery of a century is enough for you? Your opinion seems interesting to us. Let us know your opinion in the comments box. The Tesla Advanced Battery Research is a division of the company founded by billionaire Elon Musk that in recent years has produced a large number of publications and patents. This Tesla department is located in Canada and collaborates closely with researchers from Dalhousie University. At the head of the academic team is Jeff Dan, one of the pioneers in lithium battery research and, according to many, the person responsible for its commercial expansion thanks to his discoveries that allowed it to extend its use cycles. For this contribution, Tesla appoints Jeff Dan as Director of Battery Research and extends his contract until 2026. Dan and his team have just published an article in the Journal of the Electrochemical Society, one of the most recognized magazines in the world of science and technology that are published monthly, in which they describe a new type of battery that they have called 532 NCM and which has nickel as one of its main components, in addition to manganese and cobalt. This new configuration brings two features that improve on the ubiquitous lithium batteries. On the one hand, it has a higher energy density, which is the amount of energy that can be stored in a single unit of fuel. In this case, the amount of energy that accumulates in the battery pack that electric cars carry and that is responsible for their autonomy. 532 batteries, when built with just enough graphite to charge at 3.80 volts, have an energy density that exceeds that of LFP lithium iron phosphate batteries, the researchers say in their publication. But in addition, and this is the most surprising feature, the new battery demonstrates greater durability than similar lithium batteries when charged at different temperatures. The researchers ran a load simulation that kept the temperature at a constant 25 degrees. Under these conditions, the battery proved it could exceed 100 years of useful life. If you are enjoying these curious facts about the new Tesla battery, do not forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we have a new video on our channel. The publication of the article in the Journal of the Electrochemical Society also points out that the use of an electrolyte with lithium salts LiFeC has been key to obtaining this result, and that the benefits described in his publication could also apply to other nickel-based chemistries, especially those that do not contain cobalt or use very small amounts. Despite great progress in recent years, we have not yet come up with a solution that offers comparable energy density. Lithium batteries are not the solution, and in addition to their huge polluting footprint, their use in the future has an expiration date. Last March 2022, Elon Musk himself admitted that the electric car industry will be inviable unless batteries that do not depend on lithium are developed, a scarce material that, according to estimates, will be exhausted in 2024. In addition, lithium extraction is a highly polluting practice for the air and the soil, which is why it would be beneficial for the planet to stop the manufacture of products with this component. Elon Musk is a declared enemy of hydrogen as a form of fuel, and his commitment to the future is based on the success of new batteries, such as the one proposed by his Tesla Advanced Battery Research, which use the most common elements on our planet and improve efficiency of the current ones. Although the NMC 532 sounds great on paper, the researchers acknowledge that they still have a long way to go to make it a reality. It is necessary to continue analyzing these metrics, says the team. Future work on low-voltage NMC cells includes the application of this cell design to fast-charging applications, the utilization of low-cobalt, high-nickel NMC materials, and the use of positive NMC and lithium ferrophosphate electrodes. Mixed. The great discovery is having achieved NMC batteries that better support the accumulation of charge cycles than LFP. Until now, we knew that their energy density is higher and that they can be charged faster. Now, we also know that they are longer lived. Well, gentlemen, this has been all for today's video. Now we want to know, how useful do you think this new NMC 532 Tesla battery is? Without a doubt, a battery of a century would be quite useful, but due to its high cost, it would be necessary to evaluate if it is really worth it. We want to know your opinion. Let us know your opinion in the comments box. We hope you have enjoyed these curious facts as much as we did. Do not leave without leaving a like, a comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell to stay up to date. So much of all the news, curious facts, and important information that we bring to you in each video.